Here are the 6 tips to grow a YouTube from 0 to 1K subscribers.
RoseGumera.com.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rose Gumera. Alright, shout out muna tayo kay Aisa Channel, AJ John Asa Sebwa Vlog. Shout out to Nornisa Abbas. So, let's get started. Press record and start. Alam mo ba, nung nagsisimula din ako sa paggawa ng aking YouTube channel, is that wala din akong enough knowledge about YouTube. Lakas ng loob lang ang meron ako. Sabi ko that time, try ko lang mag-vlog. Wala namang mawawala sa akin kung susubukan ko, diba? Kaysa naman hindi ko subukan. Ang first YouTube video ko is travel vlog, that was year 2017. Nung umakyat kami ng bundok kasama ang aking kapatid at yung kaibigan ko. Kung hindi mo naman alam kung paano talaga mag-start at kung anong video ang gagawin mo, lalo na kung kakastart mo pa lang or magsisimula ka pa lang ng YouTube channel mo this year, alamin mo kung anong mga videos ang hilig mong panoorin online, lalo-lalo na sa YouTube. Kung ano mga videos ang lagi mong pinapanood, funny video, mga travel videos, food videos, cooking videos, documentary. So, ilista mo yun kung ano ang nahiligan mong panoorin. At isa pa guys, huwag kang mag-alala kung ang first video mo is pangit or awkward ka dun sa first video mo. Dun po talaga mag-start. So, that is your first step and the beginning of your journey. I know na kailangan talaga na meron kang niche or niche sa yung YouTube channel to stand out sa mga ibang content creators. Pero if you are someone na nagsisimula ka pa lang talaga sa pag-YouTube, ang may payo ko sa iyo is to press record and start. Kahit anong video yon, just press record. Mag-video ka lang and post it on your YouTube channel. Kung paano talaga magsimula ng YouTube channel, simple lang, just upload a video. Tip number 2, be the real you.
YouTube has 2 billion users worldwide. 79% of internet users have their own YouTube account. Almost 8 out of 10 marketers consider YouTube to be the most effective video marketing platform. That is according to overload.com.ph.
Ang tanong mo ang napaka-importanting details na yung video, which is your watch time. It is because the more na mataas yung watch time mo, the more na YouTube will promote your videos. So, ang kailangan mong gawin watch time ng video na to, so you must aim for 40 to 60% watch time. Kung mas mataas siya doon, mas maganda siya guys. It is a good indicator kasi na kapag mataas yung watch time mo, sasabihin ni YouTube, oh, this content is maganda siya. It is a good content. Marami ang nag-engage, marami ang nanood ng video na to hanggang sa dulo ng video. So, let us promote more this video. So, ipopromote niya yan sa mga homepage, sa mga suggested na mga videos. And it is a good sign at makatulong talaga na mag-improve ang YouTube channel mo. What if mababa ang watch time ng video mo? For example, nasa mga 10% lang, 20%. Well guys, there are a lot of factors na maaring reason kung bakit ito ay mababa. For example, yung audio is hindi malinaw at marami pang mga factors. All I want you to do is to watch your entire video and tingnan mo kung aling factors doon or saan banda ng video mo na umaalis yung mga viewers mo or nag-click away. Tip number 5 is to use keywords on your video YouTube. Tip number 6. Monetization. The one of the most exciting part na tip kung paano ka kikita sa YouTube channel mo. Well guys, there are a lot of ways para kumita ka using your YouTube channel. Isa na po dito yung YouTube AdSense. Yung magkakaroon ng ads ang mga videos mo tapos babayaran ka ni YouTube. Then, another way is affiliate marketing. For me, affiliate marketing is the best way or one of the factor na kumikita ako sa aking YouTube channel right now even though I have less than 1,000 subscribers and hindi pa monetize yung channel ko. Also, selling your own products. May it be digital products like ebooks, courses, programs, or you have tutorials, or it can be on physical products like e-commerce. Kung meron kang sariling restaurant, meron kang physical store, so you can use your YouTube channel to promote your businesses. Just a warning guys, hindi po easy money o hindi madali kumita sa YouTube. You need to put your effort, you need to put your time, passion to create content and be consistent on YouTube para makuha mo yung goal mo, nakikita yung YouTube channel mo. It won't be an easy journey, but I know that it is worth it to try, worth it to put your whole heart on YouTube. So just continue doing what you love, especially if this is really your passion and paggawa ng content to help other people, to help your family. So wag mo munang i-pressure yung sarili mo na kikita ka kaagad in just one night. Maliban na lang kung sikat ka na, marami ka na followers, so madali lang yon. But if you are someone na as in 0 followers and you really want to put up yourself on YouTube on doing content, just enjoy what you are doing and yung money will comes next. So guys, those are the 6 tips. So alin doon sa 6 na yon ang pinaka gusto mong tips? Let me know by leaving a comment below. I hope you guys learned something today, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video just like this one. And I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.